Hypothermia occurs when the body's temperature drops below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And in the ocean, that happens fast. So, how much better off are you if you wear a suit like this?
Act like you know how this goes.
There are 3 critical phases of cold water immersion. In the first 5 minutes, you'll experience the gasp reflex as a result of shock. You'll be unable to hold your breath, and hypertension and an increased cardiac output will result. Most casualties in this phase are due to drowning or a heart attack, long before hypothermia can set in. In the next 15 minutes, you'll begin to inhale water due to panic. You won't be able to keep afloat and swim, and your ability to grasp onto objects will start to diminish. Most casualties in this phase is due to an excess of water inhalation. Now 30 minutes have passed, if you're still alive. The onset of hypothermia begins. When your core temperature drops below 93 degrees Fahrenheit, that's when amnesia starts to sink in. At 91 degrees Fahrenheit, total lack of sensation or feeling. At 82 degrees, heart arrhythmias start to occur. And at 77 degrees, you're dead. Mustang Survival claims that their anti-exposure suit can help prevent hypothermia and drowning. But just how long can it save this rotisserie chicken from hypothermia? Let's find out. Once the chickens have a healthy human internal temperature of 98.6 degrees, we will stick one inside the suit and do a cold water immersion test and see how long it takes for it to get to that deadly 77 degrees Fahrenheit. At the same time, we'll throw in another chicken with no protection just to see how big of a difference the Mustang Survival suit makes. All right, now that our chickens are at a healthy internal temperature of 98 degrees Fahrenheit, let's get them in the water. Here we go with the Mustang Survival Suit chicken test.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, let's check on our chickens. Get this guy up. All right, so this guy is now dead at 77 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's go grab our other one and see how it pans out. But he already feels much warmer. Now let's test our chicken that was in the Mustang Survival suit. And after having the thermometer in for about a minute here now, it has gotten all the way up to 86 degrees, which is pretty excellent actually. The Mustang Survival suit helps the chicken maintain 86 degree temperature over the same amount of time that the other chicken would have died of hypothermia. So it definitely helps, even though the Mustang Survival suit's made for people and not for these little chickens. Turns out it preserves ice as well as it preserves people.